We'll simplify a radical expression by factoring. The expression that we're working with is the square root of 25x minus 25. And we can use the product rule for radicals to do this simplification. Remember, the product rule says that the square root of a times the square root of b is equal to the square root of a times b. But we can use it in the opposite order too. If I have the square root of a product, I can write it as a product of square roots. So what I would like to do is look at 25x minus 25 and see if I can write it as a product that has a perfect square factor. And 25 is a perfect square, so I can write this, factoring out 25, as 25 times the quantity x minus 1. And then the product rule tells me that I can write this as the square root of 25 times the square root of x minus 1. And the square root of 25 is 5. So the final result is 5 times the square root of x minus 1.